Going to driving school.
Yep, second day.
Umibig talaga.
Lecture.
Lecture.
Gamitan na naman nila.
English is not good enough.
Ah, ay, pala pinamas ka dito, Soy. Dito kabila wala.
Wala. Dito
Ano
lang.
ba yan? Sumunod din naman ako.
Parang pusa.
So, to be honest, remember they need to go to school first. Also, even the people that remember they didn't give you the school.
Ano yan?